PPE is important regarding our workshop safety.
PPE is the major priority at our workshop before we do our daily tasks.
We mitigate any risks that can cause potential harm and injuries. Safety knowledge that is required in our workshop includes first aid training,
shear up training, we have first aid training, we have firefighting training, and by this knowledge we actually help us to manage the risk management in our workshop.
Risk management is managed via risk assessments that we conduct on regular intervals
to actually help us to minimize any risk and dangers in our workshop.
Licenses that are required in our workshop includes forklift and crane.
This is to make sure that we know how to operate those equipments so that we won't have accidents and injuries.
Housekeeping is important in our workshop to ensure that our walkways are free of any trip or slip hazards.
Storage and flammable substances in our stores. We have dedicated place for our cylinders that has been approved by the department.
Our liquid flammable substances are stored in a locked and ventilated area.